You recorded 20 minutes. Editing just ate 2 hours. Trimming dead air, re-recording every stumble. That's not creating, it's burning your life. What if you could build a fully automated video production line? Here's the whole machine, a zero-touch automation factory. Record your raw footage, drop it in a folder, and the system takes over. It cuts the dead air, rewrites the script, and voices it with AI. Then it renders a landscape and a vertical cut, untouched by human hands. 5 tools run this entire factory and most are free. OBS Studio, your free, lossless recorder. Press record, the AI does the rest. Node.npm, a tireless assistant that runs the whole pipeline from one command. The OpenAI API, Whisper transcribes, GPT rewrites the rambling into gold, and Onyx voices it. Remotion, make video like you build a web page. Animation, straight from code. And episode.json, the memory file the system writes for you. Titles, timings, done. Step 1, npm run cut. The algorithm strips every pause over 3 seconds. 20 minutes becomes 5. Step 2, npm run retell. It transcribes your own voice, deletes the filler, and revoices it in Onyx Studio grade. No re-recording. Your stumbles gone. Now the system writes episode.json itself, every title and timestamp. One file describes the entire video, 0 manual input. Then one command, node render.mjs. It packages a 16:9 cut for YouTube and a 9:16 cut for Reels. Go make a cup of tea. Your video is done. Last, the bill. Editing and rendering run free on your own machine. Revoicing 16 minutes of audio, under $1. 2 hours of your life back, for less than a cup of coffee. So what are you waiting for? Go build your first automated line.